Here's a video recorder to convert old tapes to digital files on your own. It is fairly easy to use if you have some background knowledge in computers and software. To source your VCRs and old camcorders, you can try Facebook or eBay. Equipment like this is becoming obsolete. I think if you have the time and have a tight budget, it's perfect for the do-it-yourselfers. The quality is good enough if you are not using it for broadcasting purposes. Be sure to go through the settings on your own time so to capture results best fits your needs. If this setup is too intimidating, you can check out our services in the description below.
This prince fellow. Not that I blame you. He is quite a cur.